Hello everyone, I Syed Nawaz and welcome back you to my YouTube channel Petroleum Universe. So in today's video I'm just going to tell you some unit conversions which was requested by some of my viewers. So let us quickly see what will be the topic for today's video. Like the first I wrote the conversion of units. So the first thing what I am going to show you is how 10 power 6 grams per meter cube is equal to 8 power 33 ppg. Whereas I would like to tell you that 10 power 6 is an approximate density of in water in grams per meter cube, or else it will be 9985 something. Okay, 9985412 grams per meter cube is equal to 8.33 ppg. That we have to prove, right? So before doing that, let us see that from which unit to which unit we are converting the units. Okay. So these units are converted from CGS unit system to FPS unit system. As you all know that in whole of the universe we have three kind of unit system. Two are written over here. The one is FPS, means foot, pound and second. CGS, centimeter, grams and second. And the third one is MKS, meter, kilogram and second. So these are three units. Whereas here we have to convert grams per meter cube to ppg. So let us understand what does ppg means. So ppg actual means pounds per gallons, where pounds are also be said means it also be denoted as lbs. Okay, so no need to get worried if you have an lb per gallon, which also means that it's an pounds per gallons. Okay, so now let us see. Where you can see over here I wrote two terms here. One is nothing but pound and another one is nothing but a gallon. So here the gallon is an volumetric unit, and whereas pound represent the linear unit system, right? So now let us see how we can convert. So before this you have to know at least two things, that 1 gram is equals to 0.002204 lbs and 1 meter cube is equals to 264.172 gallons. Okay, right. So what I just need to convert, first I need to convert this gram into lbs, and then this meter cube I have to convert into gallons. Okay, so this 10 power 6 gram is what we have the value, the density of the water. And apart from this, as you see over here, 1 gram is equal to 0.002204 lbs. So I have just multiplied that to convert this gram into lbs. As you can see over here, after conversion, this gram and this particular gram will get cancelled with each other, and the remaining units will be lbs per meter cube, right? So now we have lbs, but we only need gallons instead of meter cube. So as we know that 1 meter cube is equals to 264.172 gallons. So I'm just converting that. So this 2204.62 lbs per meter cube, if it is divided by 264.172, then you may get answer as 8.33 ppg. Okay, so you can even see in terms of units that meter cube and meter cube will get cancelled, and finally we'll get lbs per gallons, which is nothing but your pound per gallon, ppg. So here you can see that I have converted 10 power 6 gram per meter cube as 8.3 ppg, right? So similarly, if you see to convert density from kg per meter cube to ppg, right, although we have a gram per meter cube over here, and we just need to convert that gram into kilogram. So we all know that 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. So if this 10 power 6 has to be divided by 1000, so then obviously this 8.33 also has to be divided by 1000. So that will give you that so over here I wrote 1000 kg per meter cube, but actually it has to be 1 kg per meter cube. So you can say that 1 kg per meter cube is equals to 0.00833 ppg. Okay, so you can practice this, or you can cross verify this but you have to note that it's not 1000 ppg, it is just it's not 1000 kg per meter cube, it's just 1 kg per meter cube. Okay, so if you get that, then it's very good for you. If you didn't get that, then you can use my comment box and ask me to show even this one. Okay, so now let us see the second one, that 1 gallon is equals to how many feet cube. Although I written over here that it is 0.133 feet cube, but now let us see how we can convert that. So as I even tell you in the above conversion that a gallon is a volumetric unit. Okay, so as even feet cube is also a volumetric unit. So before converting this, first you have to know, although I have used a very long procedure to convert gallons into feet cube, but if you directly know that how gallons and meter cube are related to each other, then you can directly convert that. But here I wrote 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters, and 1 gallon is equal to 3.785 liters, and 1 feet cube is equals to 0.0283 meter cube. Okay, so you have to remember this. So first I am converting gallons in terms of liters. So as I know that 1 gallon is equal to 3.785 liters, so I am just quickly multiplying 1 into 3.785, which is equals to 3.785 liter. Although this gallon and this gallon will get cancelled, and finally you will get 3.785 liters. Now this liter I am just converting in terms of you can say directly feet cube, or you can just ignore this step for a while. You can just ignore this step for a while and you can convert first liter into meter cube. Then you can apply 0.028283 meter cube per feet cube. Okay, so first 3.785 divided by 1000, which will give you 0.00785. Okay, then as you can even see the unit, that liter and liter will get cancelled and this meter cube will jump in the numerator. Okay, then later on if you just see that whatever answer you got just by dividing 3.785 by 1000, which is nothing but 0.003785, and if you then divide by 0.0283, then you will get a final answer as 0.1337, whereas this feet cube, right, this feet cube, this meter cube and this meter cube will get cancelled, and finally we'll get the feet cube. So here I have shown you that 1 gallon is equals to a feet cube. Okay, and the next one is 1 barrel is equals to 5.615 feet cube. Okay, although you have to see that this 1 gallon is equals to 0.1337 feet cube is nothing but it's in US gallons. Okay, so to convert this, first we are going to see that we have to remember that 1 barrel is equals to 42 gallons, and obviously 1 gallon is equals to 0.1337 feet cube, what we have just determined before, right? Okay, so even these units are volumetric units. So first I am converting these barrels into gallons by just multiplying with 42. So this 1 into 42 gallons, barrel and barrel will get cancelled, and obviously after that 42 gallons has to be multiplied with 0.1337 feet cube to get answer from gallons to feet cube, right? This gallon and this gallon will get cancelled, and after multiplying this you will get the final answer as 5.6154 feet cube. So here you can see that 1 feet cube is equals to 5.6154 feet cube. So even I have shown you this, how 1 barrel is equal to 5.615 feet cube. So that's an end for today. If you need any other unit conversion, then you can use my comment box, or else in the next video I'm just going to show you that what are the units, what unit conversion are used in the GATE exam, right? Although in only in 2016 they have asked in field units, and the rest of the exams they are asking in MKS or CGS or MKS or CGS units, right? So that's an end for today's video. Hope you like this. If you like so, then hit like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Petroleum Universe. And as I said, if you have any doubts, you can use my comment box. So that's an end for today. And obviously press the bell icon to get a latest notification of my videos. So thank you so much. Stay safe. Goodbye.